Well, learning a language in 7 days. Is this really possible? There's a lot of videos on the internet that shows people learn it in 7 days, in 24 hours, and whatever. My name is Kawan, I'm Brazilian, and I'm going to learn Kazakh language through the next 7 days. I've seen this girl. She lives in Kazakhstan, and she did a challenge learning Kazakh in 31 days, from scratch to as much as she could learn. And I really enjoyed the video. She showed like a real process. She showed her struggles and that kind of stuff, and it really motivated me to learn Kazakh. And I wanted to combine my motivation with showing like this 7 days challenge, if this is really possible. I mean, can someone learn a language in 7 days? How much will I be able to learn? I'll try to document everything. I hope I don't forget, because at the end of the 7 days I'll show you how much I've learned, and I'll give you my final thoughts. Will I be able to talk with people at the end of this week? Will I be able to just say hello, how are you? Will I be able to say, I don't know. Come with me in this Kazakh language journey, and I see you tomorrow. This is day 2, and I've realized that I haven't showed you what I did yesterday, so I was just finishing. I'm studying through this channel called Kazakh Language with Janur. She's Kazakh. She made this channel for Dimashi fans. I'm not actually a Dimashi fan, but yeah, it's helping me a lot. So this is a notebook that I use to learn a lot of language. There's like Persian and Georgian here, but yeah, so the Kazakh part starts. Oh, I can show you. Let me see what I can do. Okay, so this is the Kazakh part, you know, like Kavaisin, Jaksi, Rahmet, and that kind of stuff, but I wrote them down, all of them, so I need to practice and memorize these words. Oh no, this is what I did yesterday. You know, this is what I did yesterday. All this is in red and blue, and this is yesterday, and this is what I did today. So this is what I did today. Oopsie. I'm also using this book I found online called Colloquial Kazakh, and it's really nice. It has some pages missing for some reason. I don't actually understand it, but it's been really useful. I haven't found much material, to be honest. I'm not searching for material in Russian. I know some Russian, but I don't think my Russian is good enough. I think Russians make things too much complicated, you know, like it's too much complicated to learn something in Russian, because they use like such, you know, such like strong words. It's not like simple words. They're not simple. Russians are not simple. Russian language. So I'm just looking for material in English. But I'm thinking that Kazakh's not that much difficult. I mean, it is a complicated language. I'm not saying that it is easy, but it's easier than Russian, as I can see. You know, like this is my first Turkic language, so I have no Turkic background, so I don't know how other languages like are, but I'm enjoying the process. You know, I just don't like Cyrillic alphabet. I really don't like Cyrillic. I'm very happy that it's changing to Latin. Yes, I'm saying it. I'm sorry to all Kazakhs that don't like Latin alphabet. But this is my opinion, okay? You can hate Latin alphabet as much as you want. I'm learning the Cyrillic one, by the way. So yeah, that's my day 2, and I see you tomorrow. Hello everybody! Ooh, this is day 3, and I've discovered a really nice app. It's called Suile. I'll put the name on the screen. I was using Memorize before, but this one is way better. It has some nice lessons and stuff like that. The only problem I think is that if I want to learn the Kazakh version in Cyrillic alphabet, the Kazakh in Cyrillic alphabet version, I have to learn it through Russian, and my Russian is not that good to learn through it. So I'm learning Latin alphabet, because from English to Kazakh they teach you in Latin, and yeah, it's okay. I'm actually using both alphabets. Let's see if, I don't know, I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm actually using both alphabets. I don't know how good is that, but it's okay. Today I was learning how to make questions, like for example, Surau ha bola ma? Can I ask? And that kind of stuff is not that much difficult yet. It's pretty okay. Kazakh is definitely not an easy language. I've just figured it out. I may just freak out at the end of this week and be like, no, Kazakh's so difficult. But yeah, so this is my today's progress. I'll just keep learning a little bit more. Write some phrases and stuff like that. And I see you tomorrow. Hello, it's day 5. I haven't recorded anything yesterday, day 4, but I did basically just the same. I'm using this app I told you, Suile. It's been pretty good, to be honest. It's giving me a really nice vocabulary. I'm just focusing on things that I have interest. For example, library, Kitaphana, library, Kitaphana, museum, Murujai. So I'm learning these words more specifically because these are topics. I like to talk about museums, I like to talk about library, books, and I'm learning these words, I'm learning this vocabulary so I can have a vocabulary to talk about things I like. Konak is guest, Ui is house, Konak Ui is hotel, so it's really interesting. This is my day 4 and 5 and just 2 more days to go, so I see you tomorrow. Hello, so today is day 6 of my challenge, this lovely challenge, and today I basically just learned numbers, okay? I've started to learn numbers. I mean, I didn't learn all numbers, obviously. In 1-2 hours of study, I don't think that's possible. Numbers, days of the week, they're the things I learn lessly for some reason. I don't know. So I don't know how to say I am 19 years old, but I can say 19, which is on terus. It's a little bit difficult for me to do this throat sound. Sometimes I forget how to make it. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I'm kind of used to the sounds now, but I don't know. I don't think it's an accent thing. I just forget how to make those sounds. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, I don't think I will learn anything else today. Yeah, so I just learned numbers. Today is day 6 and I learned numbers. Tomorrow is the last day of this challenge. Well, let's see how much I learn in 1 week. Salien dostar minatun kawa min brazilskaya dan man tanushkanuma kwanushtaman and min on Rus, on min I'm 19. This is not right? So yeah, this is the end of my 7-day challenge learning Kazakh. I found many videos of people saying that they learn a language in 24 hours or they learn a language in 1 week or something like that. And I was always a little bit skeptical about it. To contextualize, I had no Turkic base. Kazakh is my first Turkic language. I never learned Turkish. I never listened to much Turkish or any other Turkic-based language, Uzbek or whatever. So I literally just started from scratch, from zero, from the bottom. Luckily, I already knew Cyrillic because I know some Russian, and I just had to learn that Kazakh-specific words, so it was pretty easy to me. Pronouncing took me like 2-3 days, but I think I did it. Sometimes I forget how to pronounce things, but it's fine. I will just improve with time. Okay, so I'm not saying that people will learn the same as I learned in 1 week. You know, I'm not saying that people can't learn more than I did in 1 week. All I'm saying that you can't learn a language at a conversational level in 7 days. I mean, that's bizarre. You know, if I was learning French, for example, I will definitely have a better improvement. I will definitely know a lot more than I know of Kazakh right now because I already speak Portuguese, Spanish and Italian, and French is another Romance language. So basically I can start a conversation and say my name and that I'm Brazilian and that I'm 19, completely wrong, and that's it. I'm not sad with my progress because I think I've learned a lot for someone that knew 0. I also know some random phrases and words such as Kiruje Bolama. I've learned how to ask, can I ask? Surauha Bolama and that kind of stuff. I can say to go to the cinema. kinoteatra, baru, and that kind of stuff, but I can have a conversation, you know. It's nice to introduce myself and let people know that I'm learning Kazakh, but I can't speak in Kazakh. And yeah, I really love this challenge because it motivated me even more to learn Kazakh because I love this language. It's so beautiful and it's also so difficult. I didn't want to say that, but Kazakh is so difficult with all of these different endings and so. So yeah, this is the end of my challenge. My week is over now and I will update you. I will give you some updates as soon as time passes because I really want to keep learning Kazakh, you know, I really loved it. And there's something in me that wants to keep learning Kazakh, you know, just don't want to stop there. And I hope that in 7 months or 7 years, whatever, I'd be speaking a really good Kazakh and be talking with people in Kazakh because I love this language. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Please share with your friends, show this foreigner learning Kazakh to your friends if your friends are interested in whatever that is. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was really nice. I loved making it. Learn language. That's the best thing you can do. Just learn as much language as you can. Just learn languages. Just learn languages. Bye.